If you've ever put together anything from IKEA, you know how hard those instructions are to follow. And you might end up with messages like this.
I'm Jay-Z.
I'm Daniel.
This is just my DIY.
Today we're going to show you how to put together an IKEA Komplement Drawer.
Yep, which we use in both our printer station and our Cricut Cart.
So let's get on it. First step in the IKEA Komplement Drawer process is open delicately.
I'm sure the box opens more delicately than that.
Ta-da!
Yay! Then lay out all of your pieces.
2 plastic cards, 2 rails, several boards, a bag full of assembly products.
Okay, so we're probably gonna have to...
Yeah, we'll get those instructions, Bill. This clearly depicts the front of your drawer. You can tell, for it is accented with 3 holes and a slot on the side you should care about. As you lay that out, you will take these.
I think they get it.
And initiate by screwing into the outermost holes, not the large hole in the middle that they don't fit into. Go ahead and start it by hand, finish it with a screwdriver.
Finish it.
A Phillips head screwdriver. You want to make sure they're firm, but once they're firm, you don't want to go beyond that, for you may strip something out. To bring them to a nice firmness. Ooh, that feels good.
So once you have the screws in place, you'll want to grab the little pegs. I'm not as tall as Daniel, but I will drop
them. And they're dowels.
Cut, cut, cut.
I'm going down, people.
Okay.
Ow.
Are you okay? Okay, dowels. Okay, so next grab the dowels and don't drop them. Okay, put those in all the way. Tap them in with a mallet if you need to, but you could get them in all the way. So once you have these in place, the next is the bottom board.
Simply slide it into place. And roll it on up. Since we have everything else in place, we can go ahead and take our sidewalls.
Which I will show you guys. The sidewalls have 2 sets of holes on each side. A large set of holes on that side, and a smaller set on this side. So you're going to want to take the side with the large set of holes and track at the bottom, and that's what goes over this piece right here.
Simply align your pegs and your screw thingies and the back and the bottom piece, and you'll find that it just goes whoop and crunches right down on it. Good, good. Now you have a basic framework. We will take these plastic spinny cap things.
Okay.
And you will note that there is an opening. That is the side that faces the front of your drawer. Simply with that, in this case, facing towards the ground, you slide it over that screw thing that they have for you. Take your flathead screwdriver and rotate to secure. If you do it wrong and you put that side down and you try and put it into place, it will go, I don't want to, I don't want to. If you're at this point and you're like, oh, how do I do it? You can just simply twist it little bits at a time. All of a sudden it'll go whoop and slide right on in. And then, of course, rotate to secure. And, you know, feel free to drop one. It's okay.
So the solid part-ish goes up top. Go for it. Okay. Ta-da.
Now 3 out of 4 ain't bad.
Pick up the one you dropped on the floor and put it in side up. And go. So now you have everything all locked in and you just need the top. We're going to go ahead and put this on.
Same way we had to do the other one. Has to start at an angle, slide into place.
Okay.
Then we have these 4 plastic rivet-like. You will find drop just as well as everything else. And if you want to just go ahead and yes, my mallet is oversized.
So I think an important note here is that we're using a mallet rather than a hammer, because if the mallet strikes this, it won't leave as bad of a mark or a dent as a hammer would. So. And then same thing, I got one. Same thing on the other side. Oh, that's big.
Sorry, camera.
These are the parts that a lot of people probably have an issue with, not quite knowing where they go. But there are 2 metal brackets, and
You will see a point sticking out and in. The out goes against the drawer.
and then that
This little
weird piece.
is a locking mechanism. And without using a mallet, you can usually slide it right into place. And it'll be out here, put on your drawer mechanism as such. There is a hole in the back of your drawer. A meeting right there.
And that goes over the little tab there that you see. You get over here, metal plate down.
No, front of drawer, back hole.
Not that kind of channel. Okay, then again, just show you one more time with the.
There is this. Hook it on the back of the drawer. You will find that hole slides right in.
Put that down.
Now, your drawers also come with this. What is it for, you ask? This is meant to disguise that.
Yep.
So it looks pretty if you happen to need it to look pretty.
Yeah.
So IKEA isn't as complicated as it seems like it is, but without a proper set of instructions, anything can be more complicated than it should be.
Absolutely. So we hope that this helps you putting together your complement drawers from IKEA.
So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like, ring the bell, Of course, leave a nice comment down below and check out our list of materials down below that.
And if you're not watching this on our website, head over to justmikediy.com for more. Thanks for watching.